gonna be a while, isn't it? Yeah. Tyler's hot.
No, he's not. I'm hot. Who's hotter now?
Tyler.
Tyler. Now?
Both far away.
Now?
Okay, we're not giving any more hints.
Found it. I thought you guys said it was going to be a little while.
Go back in the laundry room.
After this one, we can hide from YouTube. Time. No! No!
Look here, y'all little twerps. If I said we're not ready for sure.
Ready?
If I have to open this door, y'all get beat down.
Ready?
Why don't you open the door? I'm ready to kick someone.
Ready?
Get back in there. Ready?
Okay. No! Who's warmer?
Nathan.
Who's warmer?
Nathan.
Who's warmer?
That's all the hits you're getting.
What? Who's
Oh,
warmer?
Nathan's way warmer.
Move it.
Holla.
This one's gonna take a while.
Oh yeah.
Who's warmer?
Nathan.
Do not climb on that!
We wouldn't put it where y'all couldn't see it.
I can see it up there.
Well, we put it where y'all can't reach it.
What? Who's warmer?
You know what? Just go look somewhere else. Nathan's warmer. Nathan.
Who's warmer? Who's warmer?
Mm.
No more hints.
It's not fair.
They're never gonna find it. Tyler.
Tyler?
Tyler's still warmer.